Fluffies! Today I am showing you the coats from Fluffy Tori. My name is Joelle and you're watching Fluffy Kawaii, and on this channel I try to show you that everybody can be kawaii. I do lolita videos on Mondays and Thursdays, and so if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So now let's get on to the coats and see you at the very end of the video so I can tell you all about this coordinate. So I finally found a new supplier for the production of Fluffy Tori, and I would like to send the coats to them so that they can reproduce them, and then I won't have them anymore, and I'm pretty sure I never showed those coats to you guys on video, so let's go before they go forever. No, basically this is just a sample and I will have them back, but I don't know when. So I really wanted to show that to you. So basically those are from the Simply Sweet collection that are sweet basics basically, and so we have two designs. One is with fur, like you have white fur, of course it's faux fur, and it's really on here and on the sleeves and on the bottom. The other one had fur here, but it's detachable, so you can have also the more regular color like that, and nothing here and nothing here. I don't know if I will keep doing two versions. I really love this one that is way more simple. I will also show you other colors that we have done, and it was a sample, so it was pink, but there were issues with the fur that was too white and somewhere off-white and too white, but I think the shape is very pretty. Also, we had asked for all the bows to be detachable, which is good if you don't want too much bows to be too bulky, but then it makes it really loose because it's just attached by a safety pin, and I think this looked cheap, and also like this one here is almost already getting off because I don't know, but just yeah, it's not stuck. I mean, here of course you cannot sew it on both sides. It could be sewn on one side, and it's really bulky, so if you don't like that bow, then maybe you can just unsew it, or I don't know. I don't think it's a very good idea to make it removable. It makes it less pretty and it looks cheap, and I think if it's just sewn on place, it's more beautiful. Probably I will have shipped that to the factory already and tell them what to do by the time this video release, but please let me know in the comments what you think anyways, so I can see if I was totally wrong, and we can definitely change that. Anyways, what I really don't want is bows on the back. They might look nice and it's pretty. I've seen so many here with bows on the back, but when you sit on a chair, on a bench, in the subway, in the bus, train, wherever, it's so uncomfortable to have something on your back when you're driving. Yeah, I hate it. So I decided to have it on the front, but if it's detachable, maybe you can put it here, or remove it completely, or in your hair, whatever. I think it's more versatile when it's detachable, but it's hard to make it look and stay well when it's detachable. I think for this one we also wanted a white lace like on the black here, but since we had lavender lace, they used this one and it was wrong, which is actually not ugly on this one, but this is not what we wanted. And yeah, those are a custom lace that we have made also. It has bows and it's very pretty. Yeah, basically the only thing that I'm not sure about on these designs is this was supposed to be a real closing pocket, so like a real button here that would close, but it's so thick, this material. I don't know if it would be able to close and it looks ugly, and if it's like remove this and just a flap on top of it, is it enough for stuff not to go out, especially since it's a very tight pocket? So I think it's enough, and we don't really need the bottom on top just to be pretty or to actually close it. I think it's enough like this, but I don't know, so let me know. I think it's, yeah, will be difficult to close, but yep, this was from the old factory, the one that made this dress, the Sweet Dream Carousel one, and I liked it very much. It's very, very pretty how they made it. The quality is awesome. But they didn't want to work with us anymore, so I had to find a new factory. So let's see how the new factory makes the coat. And I will also do different length ones, like a shorter one. And yep, this is it for the coats. So I would love to have them ready for winter, but I really don't know when I receive the samples and they're good and we can put them on the website for pre-order. I don't know, but maybe for late winter you'll be able to have your own Fluffy Tori coats. And of course we can do any colors you've seen. So did you know that if you really love the brand Fluffy Tori, you can be part of the super secret advisor group by being a part of the Fluffy community on Patreon. So look for the link to Patreon in the description, and on there you can see different tiers, and with the first tier you get access to the monthly giveaway to win free stuff, and the last tier you can receive a free accessory from Fluffy Tori, different one each month. And for example, like this one, this is the Kawaii Teal Eye Dye Sweet Lolita Fluffy Bird. This is brand new. And you can also be part of the advisory club of Fluffy Tori, where you will know everything that's going on before everyone else. You will tell us what you think of the designs, what we should change, and you can even suggest new prints and everything. So if you would like to be part of this amazing community, check it out in the description. So today I'm wearing my Fluffy Tori JSK Sweet Dream Carousel and a blouse from Bodyline. And this is from 6% Doki Doki, and this is from Creative Meats, and this is from Fluffy Tori, and this is from Fluffy Tori. This is our own custom lace with our T logo from Tori. And this is from Atelier 17, and this I have no idea where I got. So long ago. And this is the new Fluffy Tori pin. Yay! So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a fluffy day. And remember, everybody can be kawaii till they die.